Hi everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a super fun video, and I haven't done a hairstyle video in a while, but I thought today would be a great day to do it. Today I'm doing camp hairstyles, and guys, this is probably going to be one of the simplest hairstyle videos I've ever done, because you know when you're at camp or on a trip, you're just going to want to do simple hair, but you also want it to look cute too, because you know you're on vacation, you're at camp, want to make your hair look cute. So that's what I'm going to be showing you, just some super simple ideas that you can just do on the fly. You can write these down if you want. You can practice them as I'm doing them as well. We have a couple ideas today, and I am ready to get into it. So excited. Okay guys, so first I want to give a little shout out to who helped inspire this video. This is actually from my friend Sydney, who on Pinterest is named City Rose, and I'm also going to link her in the description. I asked for YouTube video ideas for this summer on my Pinterest account, and she commented and said summer hairstyles, so I kind of branched off that and chose to do camp or vacation hairstyles. So thanks, Sydney. I'm gonna start off with a banger. This one's probably the most difficult out of all of them, I would say, and that's to leave it down. I know I'm supposed to be showing you guys hairstyles, but truly, sometimes at camp and on vacation, you just gotta let go and embrace your true style, and however curly or straight or wavy it is, and just leave it down. So that is number one. Okay, number two. I'm warning you guys, these are simple, but I just want to put some ideas in your head so you don't draw a blank when you're at camp or on vacation. So this next one is just a side ponytail, and you can use whatever kind of band you want for this. You could use a normal elastic just like that, or I have two coils. I think I'm going to use the white coil. Super simple. And I like to pull a couple pieces out just to make it look very relaxed. And I just kind of loosen it up a little bit. And yeah, that is it. So simple, but it's very cute. Next is a side braid. So you can do whatever kind of braid you want on the side. Fishtail, Dutch, French, or I dropped something. Or normal. I'm just going to go with normal. And now we are just going to do a simple braid all the way down. Alright guys, so I finished. Super simple. If you don't know how to do a braid, I have some other videos teaching you how to do that. And I actually, aw, how cute, a little rebel. Love those. And I just tied it off with a little rubber elastic, and yeah, just super simple. Keeps my hair out of my face. I'm just gonna pull some pieces down. But you do not have to pull pieces down. I know sometimes that can get annoying, but I really like how they look. I trim them a lot so they stay this length. But yeah. You can loosen it up, have it tight if you want more of a pulled together and sporty look. But yeah, this is number three. Oh, also, a little tip that I love to share is pancaking. I know you guys have heard me say that in my past hairstyle videos, but pancaking is just where you take the strands on the outside and kind of fluff them up. I love doing this. Next is, let me see. Okay, I'm going to show you two types of ponytails. One is a bonus, lucky you. I'm going to be doing just a high ponytail and a low ponytail and showing you guys how those look. And so you can choose which one best suits you. First, we're going to do the low ponytail. Okay, so that was super easy. I just literally used an elastic, put it in my ponytail. Super simple, just an idea, and then obviously I'm going to pull some pieces out in the front, but that is it for that one. And next is a high ponytail. I don't know how you guys do it, but usually I flip my head upside down so I can get all my hair up there with no bumps or anything, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I got it up there. My baby hairs definitely like to come out and have a party at this time. And that's a little bit annoying, but it's okay. So I have my hair in a high pony. I'm using the same elastic, and I'm just gonna use the same pull-out technique. Not much of a technique, but still. And so this is just how the high pony looks. Alright guys, the next one is super simple as well. I know I'm gonna keep saying that. I guess I can stop saying it. You guys understand. But basically the same as a side braid, but I'm just gonna do it down the back, and I'm gonna show you the position of my hands, because for some people it's hard for them to braid down the back, and I just wanted to show you how I do that. This one's actually going to be kind of a low, kind of a high, like right in the middle, back of my head ponytail, except it's going to be different because we're going to add a cute little braid into it, and it's going to look extra boho-ish or sporty, however you want to style it, but hopefully it'll just look cute, and I'm excited to show you. Alright guys, so that is it. Just a quick little ponytail, and then I added that cute braid into it. I think it makes it pop, and I think it's just a cute little style. Alright guys, so this next one is a little bit different than everything else we've been doing. It is a half-up bun. I'm not sure how this is going to work, not sure how cute it's going to turn out, but at least it will give you an idea. And I'm going to be using this little coil. That's what it is. But you could probably also use the little elastics, or like this black elastic. Actually, I think I'm going to try the black one. But try each one of them out and see which one works better for your hair. Okay guys, it is definitely not perfect. Probably not as cute or like, I don't even know, uniform as I would like, but it is a messy bun. So, can't take too many points off of it because really it's supposed to be messy. So I actually now after that realization, I kind of like how it turned out, but yeah. Okay guys, and I mean it when I say it for this one. This one is probably the toughest out of them all. This is just 2 Dutch braids, and I know I've done a tutorial on this before, but I thought I'd cover it again. Because honestly, when I was at camp last year, I did this a ton. I had a couple other girls saying, will you braid my hair in the morning? And so this was a good idea for quick braiding, and it only takes a couple minutes. And for this one, you will definitely need to split your hair right the middle. What I do, I just line it up with the bridge of my nose, and then I go up from there pretty close, and whatever, good enough. And I'm just going to make sure that it's split evenly on both sides of my head, because you don't want one braid to be bigger than the other. That would just be awkward. So I'm just splitting it in half, just like that, and then I kind of I make like an O with my fingers, and I feel if they feel equal. I think my left side has more. Then I just pull some over. Okay, I think that feels good. Let's get started with this one. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm kidding. Alright, we're finished with our 2 Dutch braids. Super cute. I think I like the left side better, but I tried to get them equal. Now you know the next step, guys. Guess it. Starts with a P, ends with an S. Actually, it ends with a G. Pancaking. Honestly, I think I'm just hungry and I was thinking of pancakes. Anyway, back to the hair. Oh my gosh, Pippi Longstocking. Okay, now we're gonna pancake, pulling on the strands. This always looks super cool. Reminds me of like mohawk look. But it's just a super quick hairstyle. I think altogether, but each braid took under 3 minutes. So yeah, I'm again pulling out pieces. And yeah, we're done with that. I kind of adopted some waves after this hairstyle, but as a close friend of mine would say, it is what it is. Okay, this next hairstyle is a messy bun. We've all, I know, have marveled at watching someone else do a messy bun and wondering how they got it so good and so messy. Well, today I'm going to show you how I do it, and I cannot guarantee that it's going to turn out, but I'm just going to show you what I usually do to throw it up in a messy bun. I'm using a coil. So my usual is I take it, wrap it through once, twist, wrap it through a half time, and then kind of tuck all the ends under with it, and then I just do that. And then I kind of fluff it up, tuck any pieces in, pull any pieces out. I have no idea how this looks, but that is my daily messy bun. Oh, struggle. Okay guys, I'm hurrying because my camera battery is about to be out, but I'm about to show you the last hairstyle. Okay, this last hairstyle is just 2 little braids in front with the rest of my hair down. Okay guys, so I finished. This one is super simple as well, and I honestly just think it's so adorable. I just have the 2 little braids right here. Once again, my baby hairs are part of the show, but that's fine. I just used 2 little pink elastics. Honestly, I think clear would look better with this, or black. That's all I had on hand right now, and I knew you guys wouldn't care. But I also could have gone all the way down if my strands were more even, and I have a little tip for you guys with these. If you are able to go all the way to the end and you have just like a little bit left, all you have to do is hairspray it until it's even like hard at the end, so it sticks and you won't even be able to notice it up against your other hair, and you will have no elastics. And honestly, that's cool. So, yep, that's it for that one. Alright guys, that is it for this summer hairstyles video. I hope you guys found some great inspiration. Thank you again to City Rose for suggesting this summer hairstyle video, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I just want to remind you to be the reason that someone smiles today. I will see you guys next time. Bye!